Wishing a good day to all my students. You are welcome in your online English class. Today we are going to continue with integrated grammar and it's the turn of worksheet 65. Today we are going to go through page number 161. So let's start it. Again it is related to jumble words. We have done a lot of practice of jumble words. Jumble words are the jumbled words with a slash or you can say an oblique. We have to rearrange them to form a meaningful sentence. So let's go for it. 10th of the was the 6th Guru Gobind Singh Ji Guru. Guru Gobind Singh Ji was the 10th Guru of the 6th. Next is we are having Saint Soldier he as well as was a. अब he was a saint as well as a soldier. वो संत भी थे और साथ में वो सिपाही भी थे. सो आप मेंशन करेंगे he was a saint as well as a soldier. Okay, next one is a boy he to learn write he was when. Now when he was a boy he learned to write. जब वो एक लड़के ही थे, अभी छोटे थे, तो उन्होंने घुड़सवारी सीख ली थी. When he was a boy comma he learned to write. Okay, full stop. He learned to write. Khalsa Panth created the and against injustice fought he. Yes, so you will frame a sentence with this pronoun he fought, वो लड़े थे. he fought against injustice, जो injustice है उसके खिलाफ लड़े थे. and created the Khalsa Panth. Next is always be by the people will he remembered with respect. अब he से आप स्टार्ट करेंगे. he will always be remembered. he will always be remembered किनके द्वारा याद रखे जाएंगे? by the people, लोगों के द्वारा. और कैसे? with respect, आदर के साथ. so let us write the lines. Likewise we will mention he fought against injustice and created the Khalsa Panth. He will always be remembered by the people with respect. Next passage is important is an Baisakhi India festival of. Now we are going to read about Baisakhi festival. Baisakhi is an important festival of India. Here we are having celebrated in of the it many parts country is. So the correct sentence will become it is celebrated in many parts of the country. Next is harvesting season it of the marks the beginning. Yes, अब ये किसका beginning को mark करता है? It marks the beginning of the harvesting season. It marks the beginning of the हार्वेस्टिंग क्या होती है? जो कटाई करते हैं, फसल को काटते हैं ना, हार्वेस्टिंग season. Full stop. Next is, in many parts Baisakhi fair are of Punjab held other states and. So now you will mention बैसाखी फेयर्स आर. अब बैसाखी का मेला भी लगता है ना बहुत बड़ा. बैसाखी फेयर्स आर, वो कहाँ लगता है? बैसाखी फेयर्स आर हेल्ड इन मैनी पार्ट्स ऑफ पंजाब एंड अदर स्टेट्स. Okay, you can mention here, everywhere a spirit of their joy is and delight. So you will mention there. यहाँ से start करेंगे. Capital letter we are having here. There is, वहाँ है क्या? There is a spirit of, a spirit of joy and delight everywhere. So now we are going to mention here. So we have mentioned Baisakhi fairs are held in many parts of Punjab and other states. पंजाब में भी बैसाखी का मेला लगता है और दूसरे स्टेट्स में भी लगता है. लास्ट इज, देयर इज अ स्पिरिट ऑफ जॉय एंड डिलाइट एवरीवेयर. हर जगह हर्ष और खुशी का ही माहौल होता है. यस क्लास, दिस वॉज योर पेज नंबर 161 related to worksheet 65. Just watch the video again and do practice. Thank you. Good.